Liverpool to hire former Man City manager to replace coaching staff member. Arne Slot's coaching team continues to take shape, with news of a new signing to replace the departed Vitor Matos, while another addition has been discussed. Liverpool's new manager announced 3 new members of his coaching staff at his official unveiling, with Sipke Hulshoff, Ruben Peters and Fabian Otte all making the move to Merseyside. In his first press conference, Slot revealed that 2 more professionals will be announced soon, and it looks like the dominoes are falling. The Mail's Lewis Steele has now reported that former Man City first-team performance analyst Aaron It is a title that Vitor Matos won, and it was an important title that bridged the gap between the academy and the main team, and we all saw the success that this proved to be. Briggs has worked at Preston, Tottenham, City, Monaco, Wolfsburg and even served as a consultant for FIFA. A wealth of experience at academy and first. Steele claims Briggs was headhunted by Arne Slot and Liverpool, although you sense Richard Hughes and Michael Edwards played a big part in all of this, and confirmation of his appointment could come this week. The news that Matos has been directly replaced is welcome, as it is a nod to the new management's intention to continue the legacy left by Jurgen Klopp. As for the prospects for another member of the senior coaching staff, former Everton defender Johnny Heitinga is said to be one of several candidates under consideration. Heitinga played 140 times for Everton and most recently worked at West Ham under David Moyes, although he also took charge of Ajax for the end of the 2022-23 season, leaving with a record of 11 wins, 2 draws and 3 defeats. The search for a new set piece is still ongoing, but this is a positive update as Liverpool address the vast gaps that have. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and don't miss the next videos.